Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the PMax on RSI with Tillson indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the PMax on RSI with Tillson indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 235 indicators. And out of those 235 indicators, 87 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 87 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the PMax on RSI with Tillson indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Basically, it is an RSI with other things piled onto it, essentially. Won't go too much into, what it consists of. Basically, we are looking for signals for going long and going short. And you can see that it gives us sell signals and it gives us buy signals. So pretty simple setup as far as trading it. I don't think we really need to go in and modify the looks of it at all. I think it's pretty well okay the way it is. We can clearly see the buy signal and the sell signal. And yeah, this is a TradingView member created indicator. So of course you can find a link to it down below in the description. If you want to know more about, what makes it tick and how exactly it works, then by all means go to the indicator page and dig into it a little bit more, dig into the code and the rest of the information that is provided there. And that will give you a little bit more insight into exactly how it works and the calculations that it makes. So beyond that, like I said, we are looking for buy signals and sell signals. You can see them here on the bottom of the screen. I guess technically speaking, if we wanted to, we could probably go in and turn off, some of these other aspects of it like that, and basically just look for the buy and the sell. I mean, it's totally up to you how exactly you want to do it. You can leave the rest of it in place, whatever suits your fancy. So yeah, in this particular case, again, we are looking for these buy tags and the sell tags, and once we get those, then we will of course take them in the appropriate direction. Let's see, I think I'll at least just leave the red line there. Just gives a little bit of filler there. So let's go ahead and get on with it and see what we can get out of this indicator. So it is moving along. Right there, we pick up a sell signal. That will be the first signal of the indicator. Right there, we are looking for 60 pips to the downside, and we get 104. So that is a winning trade. First one there, and it is a winner. Let's go ahead and play this out some more here. Of course, we can see that it doesn't give that many signals, and so in that aspect, it is lacking a little bit. But for those of you who may be new to trading, haven't had a lot of experience, or looking for, kind of indicators that are a little bit more, a little bit slower but better confirmation, then indicators like, I won't say necessarily like this one because we don't know yet, but indicators that give fewer signals but a little bit higher quality signals, definitely the way to go. So we pick up a buy signal right there, and unfortunately that does not work out for us too well. Continue to play it on a little bit here. See if we can pick up some more signals, hopefully a few more signals that will work in our favor. There is a sell signal right here on that one, and it is a little early to tell, but nope, unfortunately that one did not get us to take profit either. There's a buy signal right there. That one did pretty well. Got us in at a pretty reasonable spot there as price action continued to go in our direction. And continue on here. See if we're going to get a few more signals maybe. We're close to the end of the year, so it's possible we might get one or two more. And almost to the end of the year, and there is the end of the year there. So unfortunately we did not pick up another signal. So there you have it. We have 4 signals, 2 winners, 50%. Obviously is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for this one to go on the yes list. You can see that even though it did catch some reasonable signals at some point, was really super delayed, and we need to find an indicator that definitely does better at getting us in quicker into these trends. That way we are catching them kind of at the most opportune time. So unfortunately this one is not going to work out for us. It is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.